On today's menu is a mixed vegetable curry with 5 spices that is aromatic and delicious. It is simple, easy and quick to make. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil over medium-high heat. Once the oil turns hot, in goes minced potato. Now I use these small baby potatoes, but you can use regular potatoes as well. Just dice them into small pieces. Since I used baby potatoes, I left the skin on, but you can peel them as well. Then carrots go in. Fry them on medium-high heat till the potatoes get this slightly golden brown color. In the meantime, I will make the 5-spice blend. In a small bowl, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of black mustard seeds. You can also use yellow mustard seeds instead of black. Half a teaspoon of nigella seeds, that is kalonji, a fourth of a teaspoon of fennel seeds, that is saunf, and 6 to 7 fenugreek seeds. We are basically making the Bengali 5-spice blend, known as Panch Phoron. Now you can make Panch Phoron in bulk and store it, and I have a video on that as well on my channel. Today I am making a very small amount just for this recipe, and to mention that if you do not get one of these seeds, then use whatever you have on hand. But this combination of 5 spices really brings in a unique flavor to this dish, and I highly recommend using it. When the potatoes look like this, take them out into a bowl. Into that same oil, I added cauliflower. Fry them on medium heat till they get a light golden brown color. Once they get this color, take them out from the pan. Next, add 2 more tablespoons of oil into the pan over medium heat. I added 2 dry red chilies. Fry them for a few seconds. Then I took one of them out, and this will pose for the final picture. Next, add 2 dry bay leaves, and I always use Indian bay leaves which are more fragrant, but you can use whatever is available at your place. Then add the 5-spice blend. Fry the seeds on low heat till the mustard seeds splutter merrily. Remember my friends, you need to fry the seeds on low heat. Fry them for a few seconds till they are aromatic. But do not fry them so much that they turn black, because then your whole dish will turn bitter. Once they turn aromatic, add sliced onion. Fry the onion on medium-low heat. You do not need to brown the onions. You just want it to soften down a little bit. See, this is what we are looking for. Then lower the heat and add just a fourth of a cup of water, because it is spice time. And that splash of water will prevent the spice powders from burning. I added a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, and a teaspoon of cumin powder. Stir everything on low heat for 3 to 4 seconds. Then I added a heaped teaspoon of finely grated ginger. Fry the ginger on low heat for just 2 seconds. And then the fried potatoes, carrots and cauliflower again enter the pan. Add a teaspoon of salt and then a cup of hot water goes in. Simmer this on low heat for 5 minutes. 5 minutes done, and time for the next set of veggies to go in. Green beans and shredded cabbage. You can use any veggies for this recipe. Just keep in mind that the hard veggies need to go in first, followed by the veggies that take less time to cook. Again, cover it on low heat for 5 more minutes. 5 minutes done, the cauliflower is almost tender. Add chopped tomato. And if you are using fresh green peas, then add them in the beginning along with the potatoes and cauliflower. Then cover again for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, the cauliflower and potatoes have turned tender. My friends, please do not wait for them to turn too soft and all mushy-dushy, as then the dish will look pathetic. You want most of the water to dry up, as this is a dry type of curry. I added a fourth of a cup of frozen green peas and some chopped cilantro or any herb of your choice. Cover it again on medium heat for a minute and then you are done. Do a taste test at this time and adjust the seasonings. Serve this with rice or roti. Since this is a dry curry, you can even carry this in your lunchbox. It stays good in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 days. I had this with moong dal that I cooked with chayote squash. I have that recipe on my channel as well. My friends, I'm sure you will love this curry. That 5-spice blend really does all the magic, so please don't leave that out because each one of those seeds will be giving out its own flavor, and in all it brings in such a unique flavor to this dish. Please give me a thumbs up and do leave a comment for me. Bye bye.